The day's finally here, guys. The event that I've been preparing this car for the past almost 2 years, for those of you who have been following me on this Mitsubishi GTO MR of mine. And I gotta say, I've done all the prep work, I've done the safety checks over and over again, and I'm still feeling a little bit anxious, probably because this is the first time I'm ever gonna be taking this car on the racetrack. Everyone else is here, so I can see Douglas and Finn at the front with their GTOs as well, and they too have been preparing for this event. As you can see, the line is really long, and there's a lot of fog and it's a bit wet, so we're gonna have to take it a bit easy. The goal is to have fun, obviously, but we want to get home in one piece. How's everything going? Yeah. Are you enjoying yourself? Yeah. Car's running sweet? How's your car driving?
Yeah, not getting hot at all.
Yeah, you did it. Oil pressure is nice and high.
Yeah.
No spills or anything. Your car's looking really nice, dude. Thanks, bro. We did it, though. We did it. Yeah.
We're both back. 2
Yes.
years later.
All right, this is it. The moment we've been waiting for. Except Joel's not on a GTO. All right, guys, are you ready? Are you ready to to time attack? This is gonna be a lot of fun. All right, here we go. This is what we've been waiting for. God, this guy's already dive bombing. So good, the guys are doing really well. Look at them go. Joe was really blocking us. He's blocking me. See you later, Joel. It's gone a little too wide. can't keep up with this SR, holy moly. Those Ario 3s are OP. Oh my god. I'm doing everything I can right now, but he's beating me on the corners and late braking. My tires are squealing already. Oh my god, I should have gotten new tires. Okay, that's where I got him. My tires are squealing everywhere. Oh, brakes are like dying. Yeah, my brakes are pretty much gone. This is gonna get dangerous. Red. Okay, we got a red flag. We got a red flag. We have to slow down now. Oh, God, that was exciting as hell. Woo! I'm shaking from the adrenaline. That was insane. But I think someone went off track or something. Yeah, I'm done. That's it. 3 or 4 laps. My brakes and my tires have overheated. I'm just gonna do a cool down lap and I'll call it a day. Definitely need new tires and brakes next time. Oh no, car's on fire. Oh, it's Joel. Uh-oh. Oh no, Joel's gone off track. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, well, I think that's me for the day as well. Brakes are cooked. Hopefully Joel's alright. So I'm gonna stop recording here now. Can you see
And
it?
this is how we end track days.
Doing that quick oil. No, you should get something to cover the like stop the wheel.
This bitch is fucked.
Joel's engine. How did he get this?
Sorry?
Did he go off track? Did he come up? Did he go?
His engine blew up. So he got called. He had to come out.
How did it even happen? Did he snap a belt?
I don't know.
Valve train.
That's his engine.
Right there. There's a hole.
How did that even happen?
Money shift.
Huh? Oh, you money shifted.
It was by like 500 RPM.
Oh, boom. You guys gonna be sweet? Yeah. Sweet. All right, last cruise. I'll follow you. That was a good day, except that. Sorry that happened to you, man. We'll sort it.
Yeah, eventually.
We will. Later, guys. Okay, that was such an awesome day. Too bad about Joel's car, but the tow truck will be here soon, so he said he'll be fine with Melissa. So the only thing left to do is to cruise back with Finn. Okay, and that's it. Time to have some dinner. Finn's car is looking sweet, and there we go. We're gonna split. The road splits for us here. He's off to his back home. All right, I'm back home, and what a day. I'm so stoked at how this thing drove. It didn't blow up. Nothing went wrong after all that work. I'm so glad that the boys had a good time with their GTOs. Unfortunately, Joel had a bit of a money shift mishap. But other than that, everything went sweet. Right, till next time.